All right, now we are expanding logarithms, so we'll just go ahead and do our best with what we have here and go from there. All right, so I see I have an 8 times an x to the 5th. So the first thing that we want to do is recognize that multiply can be broken down into addition. Remember, we want to compare our laws of exponents. Multiply breaks down into addition. So the first thing, let's go ahead and rewrite the problem. We're base 10. All right. So then I break down this multiply. So this now becomes log of 8 plus log of x to the 5th. Do you remember what happens to exponents? That's kind of the biggest one, the one that we see the most. Exponents move in front of the logarithm. So that's going to be our kind of our final step. Log base 10 of 8 plus log, there's a 5 in front there, 5 log of x. All right, and then they express the final answer in terms of log x. So let's see. Now this right here simplifies. So this right here is on our calculator. Log base 10 of 8, I can use a calculator to find that, but let's see if they like this answer the way I have it set up first. All right, so where's the log key? Now we're getting into, let's see what we got here. Functions maybe. There's our log base 10. Log base 10 of 8. And we're going to go ahead and add to that. Then we get 5 log of x. All right, so everything is kind of written how I have it. Do they want us to simplify log of 8? We're okay. And everything looks good from what we have. Good. So no simplifying here. They just want it in terms of log. See if the next one's any different. All right. It is a little bit different. Same game. So log of x cubed over y to the 4th. Now, do you remember what is related to division in our properties of exponents or laws of exponents? Subtraction. So it's one level down here on this one when we break it down. So this is now, and the one on the bottom is the one that has the minus sign. Remember also that there's a couple different ways you can go about it. So you can also think about it like the last problem, and you need to be able to kind of go back and forth with your exponents here. So we can use the same way as we did last time and treat it like a multiply problem with that -4. So remember, negative exponents move it up. We have to be able to do that. We're going to go ahead and wait on this one. All right, because that's just like the last one. Let's go ahead and do like they want us to. So we have our original log. The one on top, the numerator, the one on top goes first, minus, that's what that divide turns into a minus, the bottom, log of y to the 4th. All right, and then do you remember what we do? Exponents go out front. Exponents go in front. All right, so this now becomes 3 log of x minus 4 log of y. All right, and just sort of recognize that if we had done it on this one would become log x cubed plus log y to the -4. And then when you move the -4 in front, when you move the 3 in front, then you get exactly the same thing. So that just sort of recognize there's a couple different ways. They want us to go this direction. They want us to practice the divide, but it's exactly the same steps. Okay. Answer 3. And then we're using their keyboard function log of x minus 4. Their keyboard log of y. Where's my y on the keyboard? There we go. All right, and yep, everything's done exactly as we see it. See if there's any other types of problems. We got, and everything looks pretty much the same. Yep. All right, good. And we just talked about, so this one right here, this top one is what we've just done from this form with the negative sign floating around. So we've done all the different kind of problems here. Good luck on these.